Hey guys, welcome back. We are now back in our old surroundings, and hold on, I gotta take care of this pop-up. Okay, sorry, it's been going on with this webcam, but we are back. The convention time is over, and it was pretty good. I actually got my hat signed by the special guest over at Anthropon. I don't know if you can see it, but it is Charlie Adler. He signed my birthday hat because apparently I got locked out of the special luncheon and everything. They kind of announced it in front of everybody. But if you don't know Charlie Adler is the voice, many voices, man of many voices. He did Cow from Cow and Chicken, the red guy from the same series, I Are Baboon, the big heads from Rocko's Modern Life, the big hippo lady from the same one. Like, he's done so many voices, and it was a great time meeting him there, learning about voice acting and everything, and how hard it really was. So now that we're getting back into the swing of things and we stopped enjoying the ducks and everything, because I needed that after the conventions and everything, we're going to go ahead and start with something very simple and something that's very popular today. Quote, quote. Many years, quote, quote. And that is, ready? We're going down this road. Fidget spinners. Now, kids nowadays, young and old, have a fidget spinner. I know I kind of caved in and I got one. This one was only $1, but mine lights up. Wow! Space spinner. Wow. So, what we are going to do is we're going to make a balloon spinner because right now, everybody's in the spinner phase. Frankly, I prefer fidget cubes because they make the little click, 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 click. I like that noise. So, for your fidget spinner, you're going to, I figured, let's go ahead and just make some balls out of them. So we're going to use 3 round, just the little round balloons. They're like the 4-inch rounds and everything. And then you're going to pick your fidget spinner color. Since I'm going with a dark purple, I want something kind of basic. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple grays. Because fidget spinners are always like two-tone or something like that. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and make the brackets that are going to hold the balls. And then we're going to put them all together. And I got a corgi. Corgis. I'm sorry, I'm such a nerd. So we're going to start with our, basically, we're going to work one end out. So, I'm basically going to work from, like, what's going to hold it inward, because we're going to connect them all together and then create a, like a sphere in the middle. So I'm going to give it a little squeeze, because I do want it to be able to cave in. I'm going to do a 1-inch ear twist. I'm going to do a decent sized loop twist so I can fit my ring in, my balloon in. But we also want it big enough that you can tell it's a spinner. So I'm going to go about bracelet size. This is something you can fit your wrist into. I'd say about a good 6-inch loop here. Now I'm going to also make another ear twist. Actually, let's make another one. Let's do 3 ear twists. Just in case one pops, it's not going to look all funky. There you go. So you should have 3 ear twists and something that looks like a weird lollipop. I'm going to open this up, like so, by pulling on both ends. I'm going to go ahead and take one of my rounds. I'm just going to place it right now. So we're going to blow it. Making sure it's nice and loose so that we can squeeze it in there. So you want it to be about that big. So something that you can hold in your hand, but something you can actually place in the middle here. Let's lose a little bit more right there. I'm going to attach it to my 3 ear twists here. Make sure you lock it in good. I'm just going to roll it into my loop. Trying to make sure that your nozzle is going to be forced into the middle. So right now, we have a little spinner end. It actually turned out pretty good. And then we have enough for the middle. So when we connect all of them, we can actually make a good spinner. So next I'm going to grab another gray. Nope, that's not the gray I want. That's the gray. Let's do it again. We're going to have 3 total because spinners, traditional ones, have 3 prongs. Unless you have the Batman one. That's 2. Yeah, I am really glad that the conventions are over because I was so exhausted coming home. And for the last few days, I did not want to do anything. Unfortunately, I had to work. Let's go 6 inches. Then another 2 ear twists. One and 2. Yeah, the next convention will be in August, and that will be the tattoo convention, which will only be for 1 day. Which I am hoping to get a Rick and Morty tattoo. Because, again, I'm a nerd. I have to fess up. I know, stop the press this. There we go. And we add another ball to it. Same as the last one. Take our end again. Place it in. And we're going to spin it around. And I'm going to force that in like the first one. Make sure it's in the center. Now we have another fidget. So now we have 2 fidgets, same size and everything, which is very important. The ends aren't too bad. They're pretty close to each other. And then finally we do the same thing. We get one last one. I blew this one up a little bit longer just because we got some room on those ones. We might need it for the middle base. Again, 1 inch ear twist. Squeeze. Boop. Ear twist. And a twist. Open it. And final ball. Let it out. Place it in. And there we have our 3rd. So now we're going to bring them all together. So I'm going to go down 2 inches here and make an ear twist on each one. 1, 2. And 3. Now I'm going to connect them all together. Trying to think. Yeah. This goes here. That goes to that one. And that one goes to the middle. Yeah, that's right. Okay. That works. So I'm going to connect each one of my small ones together. So small one, then we're going to connect the big one. Like so. Will that work? If I flip it? Nah. I'm trying to brain function right now. Hold on. I think we need another ear twist on that, because that's not going to hold it. Yeah, let's put 2 ear twists, because that's just going to force them out. There we go. There, now when they attach, they won't get all wonky. This one touches here. How do I want to do this? This one touches here, then this one touches here, this one touches here. And that comes in. Yeah, that works. I'm going to section it off halfway. So it's 1 inch here. So we do need a good foundation. I connect it right back in. Get this one. Again, divide it in half. Cut this one. Bring it right back in again. And this one. Comes this one, yes. This one's half, this one comes over this one. There it is. Okay, we got it. Just gonna give this a little snip. Apparently the middle worked out for itself. Right there. Alright, so I'm going to divide this in half and connect it into this one. Apparently the middle formed on its own. That way you face them all the right way. And if you did it right, there should be a little ring in the middle here. Just put their finger in. Woo! Woo! There we go. Again, put your finger right in the middle there. And that is how you make a balloon fidget spinner. So guys, thank you for tuning back in. I know the conventions were a little bit rough. But guys, thank you for coming back. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya!